In today's video, I show you how to create a sub account in Twilio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Creating a sub account in Twilio is a great way to manage multiple projects or clients separately under one main account. It helps you stay organized, control permissions, and keep billing clear. First, log into your Twilio console. Open your browser. Head over to Twilio's website and enter your login details. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard, the hub, where all your Twilio features live. From here, move to the menu on the left side of the screen and find the admin section. Hover over it, select Account Management, and then choose Subaccounts. This will take you to the page dedicated to managing subaccounts. Now look for the button that says Create New Subaccount. Click on it and a form will appear. Enter a friendly name. This is just a human reasonable name that helps you identify the subaccount later. For example, if it's for a specific client, you might call it Customer A account. Once you've filled in the name, hit Create. Twilio will instantly set up your subaccount and you'll see it listed in your subaccount section. You can easily switch between subaccounts from the drop-down menu, keeping your projects separate but still linked under your main account. That's it. Your new subaccount is ready to go. This simple setup gives you better organization, easier client management, and more flexibility in how you use Twilio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides.